I know plenty people will say this wouldn't work, this wouldn't do that, blah 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 blah, but trust me, if you know, you know. We've been doing this for years. Apprenticeship and the mastery, both together, 15 years. It's not an easy journey, right? Exactly. So I know what I'm doing here. So this tie is a complete nylon tie. The only metal it contains is at the bead side. That is the only metal it contains. Apart from that, there is no metal in the tie. It is complete nylon tie. This type of tie is what you can refer to as rubber tie, not the ones your vulcanizer has been telling you. I mean, it's a complete myth. How can you tell me it's a rubber tie when it has steel cords inside? Does it make sense? No, it doesn't, right? So yeah, here you learn only facts. There is nothing myth here. We tell you the truth and the truth only. So stick to the video to the end and let's learn together. We're almost done. Okay, so this is the outcome. Follow for more.